If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the chairman television station. I go take my time, call am Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57. And this na the ogbonge program As E Dey Hot. This na the first program when we say they show live on top of Wazobia 1. So na honor and privilege for those of us when they watch on top of our screen today. My name na Ezugo Chokwote, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabi well as they concern politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful viewers. Yes, and welcome to another edition of that ogbonge political program with the sunshine with different political matter. I want to be the name of this program. As E Dey Hot, and that grassroots program with the informate now, enlighten now, give now up-to-date information on things where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. And this our own phone line will still be very, very open. For those of now we do it, we go one see hook up with us. I beg, me not do it. Me not go search that TV station. Search and well, now go find UHF 57, Wazobia 1. At least me they follow us. For our regulars, without the take to make now join us online as well. Make they go together. Make they roll this two program together. We go give now the latest, the informate, the activities will happen over the weekend. So that at least we go take rough mind over them. My name now still change. My name now Nwaokobia, and this is now As E Dey Hot.
So reiterate and re-emphasize. As Nwaokobia don't talk, carry your remote now. Begin to tune your channel. Look for Wazobia 1 on top UHF 57, so that all of the action things when they happen on top of television, you go feel they get them live for the language when everybody they understand. As we they do every Monday, we go tear the nylon come out on top of all of the action story when happen over the weekend. Everybody knows say on Friday with the lock shop carry key go, but our ears still dey on ground so that we go get all the gist, carry and come on Monday, then give you the right to chook mouth on top of the whole discussion. We go start with one very important story when we say a lot of Nigerians, their mind go rest, say yes, and this story, it don't come, finally. Our Oga President Muhammadu Buhari, on Wednesday, when they come for front, so he go carry office, give all the minister designates. That is all the people when we say our House of Senate don't clear them, say time don't reach for them to become minister. They go swear them in, that is, they go collect the oath, say they go work with Oga President and ensure, say they move this our country forward. And he go come give them portfolio, that is the office. The one will go be minister for this or minister for that. That day all of us go know, so that we go know those who go there in charge of the various ministries to move this our country forward. That day go be November 11, so a very, very important date. Today, for inside the State House, something very important will also happen. The new INEC Oga Patapata, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, and the other people when we say they don't put them, say they go there in charge of all the zones, they go swear them in today. Everybody they watch this one keenly. I go speak English. Why? Because of say election they come for inside Kogi and Bayelsa state, and Nigerians they believe say the kind work when we say Professor Atahiru Jega do down, Professor Mahmood Yakub go improve, consolidate and do better on top of them. That one I get to do with a new office when they go carry give people when go work with Oga President to move this our country forward. Yes,
and from that to make we enter straight to Taraba State. We hear say the information they reach us we strike down on Saturday. We hear say the tribunal where they handle the election issue of Taraba State, where they sit down for Abuja, don't declare Aisha Al-Hassan as the winner of the April, that is the governorship election where they hold for that state. Say no be Darius Ishaku win that election. Sina Aisha na win that election. And right about now, they don't talk say now Aisha be the governor of Taraba State. And this issue right about now, from the different information they hear, we hear say this issue don't cause different bege. When I mean bege, different bege for different parts of the state. Where we say bege will don't lead to people dying. We don't see casualties. We don't enter a particular number. We don't get the appropriate figure here. But then, as the program the rule, if we get the appropriate figure, we go do it. We go give you now the informate on what thing they happen for Taraba State on top of the election will take place some months back. Now that's one for Taraba issue.
According to the Center for International Advanced and Professional Studies, when they call CIAPS, they don't carry result of our governors them for the month of October. Give the full Nigeria, may they assess the way when we say these governors them they work. They carry the criteria when they use check the work of governors and they talk say now payment of salary, new projects, education, security and leadership by example. They talk say these 5 things now they use judge all the governors them. And from the result when they mark, they talk say Oga Malam Nasiru El-Rufai of Kaduna State and Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto, say 2 of them then carry first and second. They talk say Oga Malam Nasiru El-Rufai of Kaduna State gets A with 72% and Oga Aminu Tambuwal gets a B with 64%. But the one when they say come make plenty in Nigeria, they talk say if it come to payment of salary, new projects, education, security and leadership by example, why he be say some of these our governors then carry last. They thought say they mark the result of this our governors, including the test when they do and the assignment when they give them. They can't carry these ones them. The 5 of them put for the category of last. Say they get 35% over 100. And Pikin will get 35% over 100. Whether he like him or not, whether teacher no like him face or not, now fail, he fail. We go call the name of the governors them because now their results. Governors Udom Emmanuel of Akwa Ibom State, 35%. Governor Abdulaziz Yari of Zamfara State, 35%. Governor Idris Wada of Kogi State, when one seek re-election, 35%. Governor Ibrahim Gaidam of Yobe State, 35%. Governor Dave Umahi of Ebonyi State, he be like say, somehow, you know, they continue from where the other governor live at, 35%. So we dey appeal to these our governors, them say, not be say you go do everything, but this one when they don't give, when we say they affect everybody, payment of salary they affect, leadership by example they affect, security they affect. So all these things, make them try, make them do their work, so that at the end of next month, they no go there for the last.
They will feel upgrade, maybe even find that even that
maybe not D, maybe they will enter 45.
It's now progress. Maybe they see themselves they elevate small.
True.
Yes, from that news we will hit on straight to the Senate. We will enter Senate House, where the former leader of the 8th Assembly, that is Oga Ali Ndume, don't come and talk say. Very soon and very soon. I don't know whether that vision in way he don't foresee. I don't know what things we make and talk this way I won't talk. He said very soon. Say members of the opposition, a lot of members of the opposition, that is the PDP. Say very soon they also join the APC. On top of waiting, on top of say if people say their power don't they finish, and then going by the fact say a lot of them state a walkout. During when they talk, say they don't nominate, they don't approve the ministerial position. That is the ministerial nomination of Oga Rotimi Amechi. Now a lot of them vex say no, we will not take this. Why will you approve to it? What is the meaning of this? Why will you approve to Amechi being a minister? That one can't make them vex. All of them can't do it. Can't stage walk out. Can't come out. Say, let us get out of here. Make we come out here. Make we know. Follow them. They talk all this way. They talk. Yeah. Now this thing stir up. Waiting on God. Ali Ndume talk. Say, look, very soon. All these Bugaris where they do, say very soon they will join them and they will become one. Because themselves will be senators. They're not going to make this country bad. For that reason, in the spirit of trying to ensure that things work out well, things work out effectively, the way we and you want to say, they will soon join the opposition, that is their own party will be APC. Now, waiting on God, I'll talk.
On Friday, another twist can enter the tale of our Senate President, Oga Bukola Saraki, with the case when he gets with the Code of Conduct Bureau. As Justice Ibrahim Buba of Federal High Court, where they inside Lagos, contact say, Oga Saraki, you get case to answer, and the Code of Conduct Tribunal, they're in the best position for you to go there, go answer your case. Everybody go remember, say, since the case of Oga Saraki don't happen with Code of Conduct Bureau, say from one court to the other, now in they don't they go. In they even they ask the court, say this Code of Conduct Bureau, they get the right to even talk, say they won't charge them for anything. But the Lagos, the courts for Lagos, the Federal High Court don't talk, say, the Code of Conduct Tribunal gets the right to sit them down and ask some important question. Say time don't reach for them to answer that question. If Nigerians see the way when this issue don't they go, we don't see say small by small the attention don't they come out somehow on top of the case because Oga Saraki finally don't go there answer in mama name. We don't already talk and say if you get any case to answer, the fact that they talk say you dey under investigation or na probe, it not mean say you dey guilty. Just go there, clear your name so that for court your name go clear. For the court of public opinion, your name go clear. And before God and man, your name go also clear. We dey sit down, we dey observe, we dey watch as this case they go.
Yes, I know say right about now, a lot of green, white, green flags go on, they fly around right from this morning, the early hours of this morning where we I know say a lot of us follow the event where happen, the football activity where happen, where our own proud eaglets, they do it, they made the country proud by doing it, by striking Mali, by giving them two solid two, and them they didn't say they get anything at 0 then get. One will try them 2-0 for the final of the Under-17 World Championship. Make we also bear in mind, say, this one is the 5th time, Chukudi, this is the 5th time we they carry this titleship. Because if we don't look the record, we carry it for 1985, can carry it for 1993, can also do it and strike again by carrying it in 2007. Before we can't do it, we can't carry the last one we carry before this one. 2013, we can't still hold them back. We can't say no, we must keep this championship. We must bring it back home. And apart from that, we can also set a very good record. One of our major striker, Osimhen, he can't do it. He can't give us a total of 10 goals in the history of Under-17 championship. He give us 10 solid 0. I mean 10 goals. We say we don't break record right about now. I know say yes. We also hear the news say our president, Oga Muhammad Buhari, even before the match, say if they Skype with them, they follow them in and say, guys, boys, I want you to make us proud. That's why I'm following at the young with now make us proud by bringing this trophy home. And the boys at attention, they say, yes, sir. We will not fail your hand. We'll make sure say this trophy, Mali no go smell them at all. We go bring them back home. And the waiting can happen eventually. We go say congratulations to Nigerians and also congratulations to our eaglet on top of this victory.
To top up this story, we will talk about Niger soldier people for the northeastern part of this our Obodo, Nigeria. The kind of work when we say that they do to make our country they safe and pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for this our country and something when they very, very impressive. Over the weekend, more camps of Boko Haram Jaguda people, then clear them and then release plenty people when we say Boko Haram Jaguda people don't hold in captivity. We they talk am here say our soldier people we believe say as Oga President don't give them date say by December 31 make every trace of Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for this our country. We believe say they very, very achievable and we they beat our chest talk say our soldier people we believe in them and we know say they go do their work where we they also pray say those when we say don't wound or don't lose their life unto say then they ensure say our territorial integrity and corporate existence they keep them safe say God go give them comfort and their family people God go let them rest and we they call on our soldier people to talk say we support una, we support our government and we as Nigerians they united to pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for inside this our country.
Yes.
All of these stories when we don't carry come now, don't drop. Now some of the action things when happen over the weekend. You get some other stories then when we say come out, when it happen, we know say if you want chook mouth on top of all those ones, you dey free to also chook mouth on top. I know say many people go dey concerned about the pro-Biafra rallies when happen for the southeastern part of Nigeria. But we dey talk and say if you want seek redress because of say you not happy with the way when things they happen, you get the right channel when we say people they go about them so that wahala no go happen for inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. But we go discuss all these stories there. Look all the inside when they inside the story so that everybody go understand. And you self get the right to chook mouth on top of this story. Remember, I say you see the on top of Wazobia 1 for UHF 57. And this now as it hot.
Chukudi, we don't see the headlines, we don't see the major stories. Yes, but the one with the be like say carry heavy weight, we strong where now this tribunal judgment where then declare Aisha Al-Hassan as the new governor of Taraba State. We know even when the election they take place, we they follow them up, and we know as the election take place because we were with the studio that time, we they hear different reports, and people they call us from that side, they tell us updates on as the election they take go and say, look, this election, from the going of things, they declare this woman as winner. But suddenly, they can't do it. They can't say they don't stop the announcement of the results. Since we don't get first-hand information on what they really, the result itself. But then, we can't hear say somehow, they don't suddenly declare and the present governor, that is Oga Darius, as the governor-elect of the state. At least the Duma can't do it, they can't carry the matter, go tribunal, and right about now, tribunal don't declare the result. They talk to Aisha Al-Hassan as she will not be Darius. So, but then the follow-up of this matter, the begins, the different controversy we can't do it, we can't play out, we don't lead to the deaths of people now. And when I mean death, not be even small casualty, people don't die. We can't put out this question, say, waiting we talk say we will collect, at least as Nigerians we don't talk say we will collectively ensure say we move our country forward. And tribunal don't state within their state, but it is now left for our hand to do it to at least accept defeat. And if Oga Darius feel say they too comfortable, at least there are other mediums, court they there, make it carry and enter court, say no, they satisfied. Then we go feel move on. Not be to come they say one carry the whole matter for head. Even people will be say they suppose they rest, they ensure the state they at peace. Now they come they go they put head inside where they not supposed to put head. A lot of them don't buy now, and who them go blame? Now be the issue. So these are things we really need to at least they tell our viewers, say look, and when it comes to issues about election, make we no carry on for head, because in the end, person will go be leader, go be leader.
Very true. It's very, very important. Make we point them out. Say, if we check the nature of the case, when we say APC carry go before the election tribunal, say some people don't come out, can't talk. Say, you get the way when we say the thing be. The ruling for the case where involved Taraba State, according to Justice Musa Danladi Abubakar, not be even just about the way when the election take happen, because APC been complain about the card reader. They also complain about the number of votes when they cast, and they also complain about other issues. But the reason why the tribunal talk say make Madam Aisha Al-Hassan come sit down as the governor of Taraba State now, because of say they don't talk say the process when bring Oga Darius as the gubernatorial candidate of the PDP, say the thing gets K-leg inside because of say where they're supposed to give INEC notification, say see the period when we want to do our primary, so see how we go about them. But they talk say while are they inside that one, because they no give INEC the time frame at the right time, and even on the day when they're supposed to hold the primaries, the team be no hold. So they talk say by virtue of the fact say the man no follow the right process to be even become the gubernatorial candidate, say he automatically no be win the election. But then, like you talk, Oga Darius get the right to appeal. Yes. And as he did like this now, over the next 120 days, because if we explore every avenue, we'll go from the appeal court, enter the high court, from there if we go the Supreme Court. And the way when they don't calculate and they don't see, say, okay, over the next 120 days, until he exhausts every avenue to ensure, say, okay, in the seek redress, say, everybody could just calm down for this case. They're talking about people when we say they don't lose their lives. It's very important to point out, say, election tribunal day to check irregularities when happen for election, and everybody gets right to go before election tribunal to complain, say I don't like the way when the thing go, irrespective of the decision when election tribunal take, not be the final, because we still get Supreme Court when be the highest court for the land. You still get right to go anywhere, go seek redress. So the one when we say then they report, they come and say some people dress as soldier, people enter, begin they shoot people, they proper at all, and we call on our security operatives them, make them take the right step to ensure say calm and peace dey for inside Taraba State. But in as much as we address this issue, it will also be very, very appropriate for us to also talk this thing. INEC will be the conductors of this election, we conduct this election. At least all these things, like what you don't present, if waiting Oga Darius, the process we bring them into power no day proper. Say some certain things you don't do them on time. It not be the right of INEC as at least the regulatory body, the people they handle the election, to say, okay, Oga Darius, because of say you don't meet up with the required necessities, when you're supposed to meet them up, we no go allow you contest, or perhaps even if you win, we no go still allow you become governor. These are some normal things we supposed to expect. True. But eventually, okay, they know say this thing he got it wrong. Therefore, don't follow him up. Rather than give him that room. Right about now, they don't give him room. They don't do this thing. He somehow will just say election, can't favor him somehow, he can't become governor. Now they can't also, they won't declare, they won't bring out all these facts, can't declare, say no, the process way he follow, the appropriate. I mean, we suppose don't break that cord when we suppose break and to avoid
things from happening. And now waiting don't cause all these issues really. We don't resolve on that time. We will not probably enter this debt, so we don't enter, say people they lose their life over things we not supposed to even cry about or lose their life for.
Very true. A lot of people don't talk, say, make we check our electoral system. Make we see, say, people when we say they use backyard, enter any position, sharp, before we waste plenty money, can't they waste people time, or can't they cheat person for something when rightfully belong to them, we go fit avoid them or reduce them to the barest minimum. Because you don't sit down there, you take the oath of office and oath of allegiance on the 29th of May, he don't there as governor, don't preside over the administrative affairs of the state for a particular period of time. He still get 120 days based on, say, he won't go appeal. So the people they talk, say, if we get our electoral system and our laws right,
yes.
it would be very, very easy to use fit check, say, okay, oh, before even this person comes, say we dey prepared or we dey ready, say, in qualify, now be the right candidate for that job. Because I also recall, say, this same thing also happened to Rotimi Amechi and Celestine Omeha. Because
during
the gist be say they come out one person name, put another person name for.
And this one can't happen under the same political platform.
Exactly. And the problem now, I say, make it very, very clear. We must do the right things rather than talk, say, now our business, concern una. We must ensure, say, now the things when they right and proper, now we do, so that we will get society when we say, now laws, now we go they obey and now we go they follow. If we also check this one about the results of some of these our governors, them, according to the Center for International Advanced and Professional Studies, some people don't talk, say, waiting them do, now just their business. But it's very, very important. I'm going to point them out, say, if we don't set parameters, talk, say, okay, oh, now these 5 things, now these 4 things, we use the judge governor.
Yes.
Maybe we don't even wait until he transform the state.
Of course, the governors, they are aware of all these things before they even enter power.
Very true.
These major 5 criteria, now be the assessment where they check you to know how good or how well you don't progress in handling a particular leadership. And then we don't say, and a lot of these governors don't do it, they don't meet up with these, lay down this thing, platform where they check them out. So of course, maybe we could anticipate the hope, say, look, say, make them do it, make them improve as the time they go. Exactly. But then, it just as they talk, it is very necessary for us to follow normal process. Since we don't get a particular lay down factors, at least the governors on their own part, if not truly, if sincerely, we get leadership where we say yes, and what then they care for now, just to ensure, say, they lead the people and lead the people well. At least, therefore, don't enter into action straight up. Because if you go to some areas, it's just like competition, they take place. You understand? Competition, they take place. So if governor go say, look, I target you very soon. I will make sure, say, I pass you in my leadership. I will make sure, say, things what I will put for my state, it better pass your own and all that. Make you see that competition so that at least, in the end, if that excitement they to say they govern, say they rule, they put things in ground, see, you yourself could enjoy them.
Very true.
Even the people where they even look you one day and say, hi, these are governors. But say, leadership today is sweeter.
Exactly.
You understand that kind of thing? So that is things we as leaders should be excited about, rather than say, would they do it would they rather put a second thought for mind on how we want to take rule.
Why would they wait for our leaders then to ensure, say, when the next one come out, they go come out for on top of the down part of this list. We go rush, enter this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue as the Hot on top of Wazobia 1, the Ogbonge television station for UHF 57. No go anywhere, we dey come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.